SSC is a structure subcommittee of the ISTH, which has been of great importance throughout the years and has seen a great transition in the last few years. So originally what the SSC stood for was standardisation of generally of proteins or other things involved in coagulation, thrombosis, hemostasis in general. But what we've seen in the recent years, this part was really important, but we've evolved from that and we're now into a new era of the SSC where we're looking at how do we tackle these issues in thrombosis and hemostasis. And really the SSC is where a lot of the very exciting state-of-the-art science, it comes to fruition, because what we're getting is people coming in with these problems, these unmet needs, these unmet clinical needs that need to be addressed. And that's what we're seeing now is we've kind of, I wouldn't say we've stepped aside from doing the classical stuff that the SSC was originally designed for, but there's a different weighting on the whole system. So the SSC is so broad, it's really difficult to say this is what we do, because we've got the clinical side of the SSC and we've also got the basic science. And those two do marry in very well, but nevertheless they have different problems. Flow chambers, that's been a big thing with bioreology, etc. There's an ongoing project with that at the moment. But then we've got all the clinical aspects, like how are we treating patients? What is how effective are these anticoagulants that we're using? And I think we really see the evidence of that, and we also see a lot of interaction between basic and clinical scientists at SSC meetings, and I hope that's something that we don't lose. I'm sure we won't. I'm sure it'll develop more when we go to the annual meeting and we integrate it as part of the full Congress. In terms of moving forward, what we're hoping is that we can continue that small, familiar family feeling of an SSC, that people don't feel inhibited in terms of asking questions. And one thing that's really, really important is drawing the young people in, and that's something that SSC has been brilliant for in the past, is that we have got the younger people involved in labs, so that the PIs might be away doing something else, but they're here and they're active, and it draws them into not just the SSC but the ISTH as a society. And I think we need to encourage and foster that relationship with the younger generation as well.